Hi, welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the variables in C language. But before starting this tutorial, I will recommend you to do watch our previous videos. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand this tutorial. Now moving on to our today's topic, variables. Let's begin. Now let's open the new project in DevC. What are variables? Variable is simply name given to a memory location which acts as a placeholder or container for storing a data. It has a specific size which depends on data types as we discussed in our previous tutorial. Variables are used for storing data and data depends upon the data types. Let's suppose if we want to declare a variable in which we are storing an integer, then we will create a comment box here in which we will write declaring our integer type variables. Now let's define an integer a. Let's define it in a comment box. What does it mean? Declaration of variable a and its data type is an integer. This means that we have declared a variable a which is a data type and its data type is integer. Now if we want to assign it a value, let's suppose a is equals to 15. If we want to display this variable at the output screen, then we will use this command printf variable a is equals to %d, a. Semicolon at the end means that the instruction is ended over here. Now execute the program and let's see the output of a. Here we can see that the variable a is assigned a value of 15 and its data type is integer as 15 is a digit or a number. Now if we want to reassign a value to a, let's suppose if we write a is equals to 100, then a is assigned new value which is 100. This means that in the memory location where a was assigned a value of 15 is overwritten by new value which is 100. The first value we assign to variable means that we are initializing the variable as we did here. We initialize our variable a with 15. So we will write here in the comment box initializing a. By giving other value, we are actually reassigning the new value to a and it will overwrite in the memory. So we will write here in the comment box reassigning the value. So by using comments, you can see we are making our code more readable. If we compile this code, then we will see that at the output that our new value is 100. This is because we have assigned 100 to a in the last. As we know that execution of C program is sequential. It starts from the first line and runs till the last time. Here we can see 100 at the output screen. We can only observe one value of variable at the output screen at one time. Either it could be 15 or it could be 100. So it stores the last value in the memory as it did now. Now if we want to store a value for different data types in variable like float, char or more. So this we will learn in our upcoming tutorials. So stay connected with Education 24/7.